day number 27. And actually, you know what I'm thinking is I have to show you that I did take my deposit. So this video right before this showed you, or take my withdrawal. I took a withdrawal from Pocket Option. So I was up to 1877. I took a withdrawal and it zeroed out my, what do you call that, bonus? So it kind of did all that together. It kind of zeroed out my bonus and I took a withdrawal and I feel fine about that. But now I have changed my little sheet to be like, you know, basically my assets in my Coinbase account are 909 and my assets in Pocket Option are 1,000. So this yellow number now moving forward is my actual number. Even though my Pocket Option account is going to be off, it's all tracked in this sheet. So my total growth right now has been 81%. Okay, so for all days, we're starting day 27. We're risking $131 today, and so my trade is $26. I think that's what we're going to do, $26 trade. And it's getting later in the day, and I haven't been able to trade much. So you know, we're just going to try to see if we can win maybe one trade, maybe two, and we'll see what happens. Hey, we meet up here every day, and I show you real-life binary options trading. Please take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you do that, I promise I'll work hard to make this channel bigger and better with every single episode. I have some great news. For a limited time, you can join the Music City Trader Tribe absolutely free. All you have to do is open your Pocket Option account using my affiliate link and make your first deposit. And I'll send you 2 trading strategy ebooks and my latest trading sheets. So don't wait any longer. Go to musiccitytrader.com and click on Join the Tribe. All right, we're in this trade, and man, that really busted through there. I hope this is a 1-minute trade, so it's like I hold my breath. I'm getting ready to do these trades, man. I hold my breath and like have to let it out. It broke through there on the 10 second. It's like, I hope this turns around. It's 424. Yeah, the charts could get kind of kickety. Like that was an interesting trade. I hope it breaks down. It's got 26 seconds. It could. If it really is a turnaround and it's going to do it quick enough, it'll drop like a ton of rocks right now, but it's kind of messing around. 18 seconds. As this drops like a ton of rocks, I may make this my one trade for the day and may call this a beautiful trade and may just call this a day and talk about, oh, come on, baby. 8 seconds. Oh, no, it's retracting back. Oh, no. I wanted it to happen. I wanted it to be that RSI touch. If it reaches back up there again, I'm going to hit it again. If it reaches back up that, it's kind of like RSI touch. It could be a breakthrough though. Look at this. It's breaking through. I'm just kind of confused on whether this is going to break through or it's going to touch. It's kind of touched there over and over again. It's broken through. The RSI is broken. I'm not going to do another trade on this. That was a loss. Because I think this could break. It already broke the RSI. It did not obey it. And in the 1 minute, it's kind of back and forth. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm not going to do much. There. Yeah, see, it's just messing around there. Let's just watch it and see. Yeah, it broke way up, and now it's just kind of acting stupid. Even in the 10 second, I mean, it really did almost fall. Now look at it falling. But then it's like jumping back up. So, you know, the 1 minute, it's set up some weird precedents here. So I'm going to get off this chart. Well, that's a 1 minute RSI touch almost there. Oh, wow. Way over touched. Yeah, that could be one that could be turning around. But in the 10 minute, it kind of broke above out of there. I don't know. That could be trending. I'm not gonna take too much stake on that. That 1 minute, this 1 minute right here, you know, it broke higher. There goes higher. It could go back lower. I'm not gonna do anything on that one either. I'm just gonna look around and see. Yeah, that one, that RSI touch was right there that I took, and it went up here and it finally touched up there. It didn't obey totally at the right time. It obeyed, but it obeyed in sort of the wrong time frame. Now it's going back up. It could be going back up. It's hard for me to know because it didn't obey that first RSI touch. It kind of obeyed that one. That's a pretty strong line right there, at least at that area. I mean, if it gets back up there again, maybe, well, that's way up there. So it's really it's really hard to know because it didn't RSI touch and turn around is what it didn't do. It RSI touched, broke through, messed around, went back down. Now it looks like it's going back up again. Let's look for a 30-second RSI touch that might actually do it. Wow, I don't know. This one's kind of jaggedy too. But, this RSI could be down here. It did touch there and obey. It obeyed that top line. It obeyed up here. Okay. Let's see what it's doing in 1 minute. Yeah. It's kind of in an uptrend. It doesn't really have any, let's see if we can look at this. It's not doing anything there. Maybe these are little snipers. I'd like to have a win. It looks like it wants to go RSI touch. It wants to go up and snipe. It could go further though. That would have been a good one. Just kind of looking around and seeing how these are reacting. That's kind of reacting good. That would have been a good win right there. I had a good feeling about that one. I didn't take it because I just kind of flipping around charts. Looks like this has some good up and down, but I don't want to get burned. I got to have something. If I'm going to take a snipe like that, it's got to be something that I've been watching that I really think, oh, like, look at that. Yeah, it's jumping and pulling. That's in the 10 seconds. Again, that could have lost. It could have reached right back up there and lost. So we've got that one up there is the next level that it wants to go to. And if it reaches up there and touches that RSI up there, I'd be willing to do that. I'd be willing to do that one for sure. All right, so this is actually interesting. I changed my mind on this. Hopefully it works. I think this was going to be like an RSI touch and it was going to jump up. But because it kind of went above, it broke through, I thought it was going all the way up. So I was totally wrong, completely wrong. I changed my mind at the last second on that one. Completely changed my mind on that one. And it looks like it's going to be a loss. Completely changed my mind on that one. It hit that top level, went above it. And I'm going to go ahead and take another call on this one. Because I thought that, yeah, that was a huge burn right there. It went through and I waited and I was like, okay, it waited and I thought it's going to go for it, and it just totally tanked up. I took a little bit longer trade here. I'm totally getting trashed on these trades. But at 1 minute, that's a pretty good level right there. So this one could win. It's got both directions. It could totally go up from here. We're going to have to see what will happen here. I'm kind of afraid to look at it now. I'm not reading these charts great. This looks like it's struggling at the bottom here. It looks like it could lose. It's hard not to get emotional at times like that when you're kind of getting burned either way. I really thought that was going to go up from there. It just had a higher high, and I thought it was going to just go for it. It's kind of stuck right here now. But I do think it's going to go up from here too, because it kind of hit that bottom, bounced off. So will it head back down to the bottom? There it goes. It heads back to the bottom there. And it's really just trashing the bottom there. Let's see. I got in late on that, but I still think it's okay. It's gonna bounce back up. So I have to write down my 3 losses here. Yeah. And then I'm going to have to just decide, do I want to keep trading right now? Because I'm not doing that great. If this one loses, let's see if we zoom in on this one. Let's see, this one could win or lose. It's got up and down pressure. It's got 10 seconds. It really has like up pressure there. Let's hope it just stays up there. There we go. Thank God that is a win. 2, 1. There's a good win. Nice turning win. Now it's going high. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah. It's hard to know here because it could go either way, but I mean, it's like it's coming off that bottom, just really shot down, played around, really shot up. Is it really? It's just at this level again right here. It's at that level and it's rejecting. Like it does it really want to go back down? Probably. If I look at this in longer, it might give me, yeah. Yeah, we're going to take a 2.5 minute put right here based on the 10 minute. Based on the fact that it's probably going down in a downtrend. When you look at it in the 10 minute, it makes more sense. And if it bounces around, that's fine. But if it ends up going down here is what I think it's going to do. It ends up going this way because it is going down. Then we'll see. I'm not predicting great on these right now. So let's look at 30 seconds. Wow. In 30 seconds. From here, it looks like I think it is going to go from like right around here to it's going to break down below that line and it's going to head down. It's going to break that line right there. Let's say where is that line? And actually it's just sitting there. Now I'm going to delete some of these lines. And actually it says I have too many lines on this drawing. I don't know where they all are. Oh, they're all down here. Okay. This is a 4-hour trade. Yeah. It's definitely been in a downtrend. We got a 1.5 minutes left. It can be going all the way down there. I think it's got room to go, but you can't look that far out to really know, but you can look at this in the 1 minute. You can say that it's going to go from here, that it's going to break down and go ahead and break that. This line right here is what I thought it was going to do. Let's see here, right there. Got 1 minute and 2. Yeah, if it gets up to here, I'm going to double this up. If it shoots up in the next 15, I'll give it like 20 more seconds. It's going to shoot up there. There it goes. Shoots up. Come on, shoot up. Shoot up. There you go. There, I'm going to double it there. It's kind of a crazy trade. Let's say we're doubling this up. And let's see what happens. I hope I don't hit my stop loss today. It'd be a bad day to hit my stop loss. I think this would not quite at my stop loss yet. But it could be. It could be at the stop loss. Man, look at that. I'm going to say it's going to go down from here. So if this doesn't win, then I will have lost all these. But I'm stacking again. That wasn't a double up. So these two lost. Those bottom two are going to lose in 4 seconds. And then if this one loses, I will have hit my stop loss today. And that'll have to be it for today. And I had a feeling I shouldn't have traded today because of like just the way it felt. The time of day, maybe the time of day, the way it felt, the time of day. So if I win this trade, I might even stop trading because I might just feel like I could hit my stop loss. This will be one trade that I'll be up. If this wins, this will be one trade that'll be up. It's got 12 seconds. It looks like it could win. And maybe it will go all the way back down. 8. I hope this wins because it'll just give me something. There he goes. There's a win. So I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses and 2 wins. There we go. 9.17. So I've got some room. Okay. I've got some room now to keep trading. I haven't hit my stop loss yet. Just not very good. I might have to stop. I'm going to look around and see if there's anything that looks like anything. This one does look like it's going to turn around. In the 10 minute, I don't think so. But in the 30 second, in the 1 minute, it's kind of stuck. You know, it's got down pressure now. But if I look at this in 10 minutes, look at it in 1 minute and 10 minutes, then I think it's going up. Oh, 89%, but that's okay. I'm taking this trade based on more of the 10-minute trend that it's going up. It's kind of broken above here, and it's going to continue up. Probably all the way up I mean, maybe all the way up there. You think it could? It's got back pressure both ways. But it's above a line. In the 10-minute, it's kind of in a weird spot. But I took a longer trade. I'm going to set my trades back down to a minute. I'm going to go back down here to 10 seconds and watch and see what it's doing. I could look at this better in 10 seconds and see. In 10 seconds, it looks kind of like a turnaround. Look what it's doing down there. Like it's just, tanking down there. It's going to do an RSI touch here. Let's look at the 30 seconds. I might make it double up. These trades, yeah, I think I'm going to double it up now. That's gutsy because that will be my stop loss. Again, if this does up pressure and wins these two, then that'll be great. That's what I was going for. Kind of thinking like, yeah, this will turn around and it'll go up. And it totally could. It could go both ways. It's got 30 seconds to go. In terms of the 10 second, yeah, it could shoot right off the bottom of this, shoot right back up. Although these charts tonight or at this hour, they're not shooting anywhere really fast, so it's a little bit tricky. 17 seconds. Oh man, can this go? No, it won't. It won't go. And I'm going to hit my stop loss right here. Man, that's frustrating. All right, so I'm going to let this be. I'm going to say stop loss hit. And it's just a hit today. That's what it is. That's what it is. The ending balance is 865. I actually really hate trading at this hour, and I really shouldn't have done it. Look how trendy this is, and it's like I'm not reading it right. When I get out of my element, I mean, it didn't even stop there. It just keeps going. I get out of my element, and I just feel like trash on this. Let me do the math, and I'll show you the new math. So it says 865.84. So basically, 865.84 is the new total. It's down. That's basically negative 7%. The chart, this is not right. That's totally not right. That's I'm not sure why it's saying that. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan. But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to MusicCityTrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to MusicCityTrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at MusicCityTrader.com.